In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate the Expedia plugin within ChatGPT for an enhanced travel planning experience. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to the Expedia website. This is a great starting point because Expedia is a powerhouse when it comes to sourcing the best travel deals, offering a one-stop shop for flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages. Opening up Expedia will allow you to familiarize yourself with the latest deals, ongoing promotions, and even some curated travel itineraries. Next, we need to switch gears a bit and go over to ChatGPT. Now, to make the most of ChatGPT, particularly when interested in using advanced integrations like Expedia, you'll want to ensure you're on GPT-4. This version requires a subscription, but it unlocks a plethora of new features that can streamline and enhance your tasks, including seamless communication with plugins like Expedia. Ensuring you have access to GPT-4 is crucial because its capabilities, including natural language processing and contextual understanding, are significantly ahead of its predecessors. Doing so provides a richer and more responsive interaction, essential when you're juggling complex travel plans that might include multiple flights and accommodation options across different continents. After you're set up on GPT-4, it's time to navigate to the Expedia plugin. This is where the magic really happens. The Expedia plugin connects directly to your ChatGPT interface and acts as your personal travel assistant within the chat. With it, you can quickly compare flight prices, explore accommodation options, or even get real-time updates on travel restrictions or recommendations based on your preferences. This integration is fantastic for anyone who needs to make last-minute travel bookings or just wants to explore future travel possibilities without the hassle of opening multiple tabs or websites. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're now equipped with a powerful toolset to redefine your travel planning process. With the Expedia plugin working in tandem with GPT-4 on ChatGPT, you'll have all the tools at your fingertips to plan thoroughly, explore new places, and even get travel inspiration from conversations. Remember that technology is here to enhance your travel experience, so feel free to experiment and customize the way you plan your trips, creating a truly personalized journey from start to finish. Embrace this blend of technology and travel to unlock new possibilities and make your next trip not only possible, but remarkably easier and more efficient to plan. Safe travels and happy planning.